can get to Parque de Cafe here. I'm talking, yeah.
Yeah, that looks like it.
So what's going on, man? I'm Nate.
Tristan.
Nice to meet you, Tristan. You messed up, bro. Yeah, you're supposed to hook it. I'm like, you didn't hook. I said, okay. Again, hook it. That's what I'm talking
In
about.
Atlanta, we got to snap afterwards, dog. Man, how you been, dog? It's been like 7 years. Just what, man?
Yeah, I think it's just right down here. I think the Salento. I think the Salento. Like
Salento?
The bus to Salento was down there.
I've seen it.
I didn't see anything over here. It's a lot of Cali, but...
So man, yeah, it's down there. Bus Salento should all look over here. Over here, either one.
What are you doing out here in Colombia?
Yo, bro, I'm just exploring. I'm a vlogger.
Vlogger.
Yeah, so. Huh?
All the way up.
All the way out the end?
Down the way over there.
Yeah, so my channel is NateInYoState. I'm a food, travel, and lifestyle vlogger, so I'm just here just for the heck of it.
What do you vlog about? What do you just do? Like, are you doing like that? You know him?
Yo, my dude be making that money, but something similar like that. Yo, check out my channel.
Yeah, man. I didn't get your information.
So going into Salento seems like you need to take another bus getting in there. Yeah, I'm about to go into Salento and see what's up.
Is over here.
Okay.
Yeah, I stay right down there. Oh, right down there. Nice. 80,000 a night. The other place I was staying at over here is 129,000.
We here in Salento, you know what I'm saying? One of the most quietest city of Quindio.
coming here a month ago, so you know I'm legal and not illegal. Because I came here a month ago. For the
Then
next...
it's because if the police come in and
What
ask
about
you
a
for
photo?
because when you're there, the stamp or your passport.
I got a photo of my passport. I got my cedula.
There's debit or credit.
Debit.
It just don't make sense how it works. It doesn't
But
work.
that one is not like a really legal document here in Colombia. It's
If you
I
have-
come, if I go to United States,
It's federal government.
yeah, but no. It's possible. The
Can
only
you use a
people that
picture of
Do you have a copy of it?
If you can use a picture of the
Yeah.
passport, that's good. But if not, I need to find another place.
'Cause-
Can you use a picture of my passport?
but we need the stamp.
No, don't have it. So another place. Okay, sorry.
Oh, wow.
I don't know why the other Viejero accepted it. That's
I don't know if Salento has like a different government or something like that.
This is the first time.
Do you want a copy of it?
Hey, can I get out of here? He's like, can I like get a briefcase? He's like, I don't support you to not let my friends stay. I'm leaving. Give my money back.
Wow. This actually looks more lit, bro. We got a whole pool over there too? What the freak?
This is sick.
Yeah, this one looks better.
Yeah.
This one looks better. Scenery is actually good and all that.
I didn't even have them changing the plans like that. I was planning on the Viejero, but hell, I guess it's good now.
Yeah, it's good. You
I guess you gotta
Gucci.
just always be calm. If it don't work out or something.
There's always something else.
Yeah.
I was thinking about just going with the flow, but the only reason I did the Viejero because they gave me the discount.
Yeah,
So that's
we're
why.
used to that one, you know.
Yeah.
What kind of place you think about eating at?
Yo, I don't know, man. That main square looked like it got stuff, so whatever's close then.
That was bad.
Oh, look at that pool. Yo, this should have been the Viejero. Huh? We're doing a room tour.
Solo bathroom.
Solo bathroom.
I mean, it smells like here, but 25 mil, this isn't a bad deal.
25?
God
Smell like
bless
a car.
me today. God bless me.
It's a pretty huge bathroom you got up in here too. All right, let's go get some food. Still got a whole vibe to it, bro. For real. Hola, hola. Okay. All right. I ain't gonna lie though, it looked like I was the only one in Viejero.
Yeah, no, for real.
You should cancel that and come out to this one.
Nah, I'm good though.
Get your money back or not?
No, I'm good. I'm good money. I'm Gucci though. It's still good either way at the end of the day, because I got a lot of space, so I'm chilling.
He's like, I gotta film it.
I definitely gotta film it, man. I hope that thing started
I
moving.
want to see your other vlogs.
What's going on, y'all? This is Nate from NateInYoState. I'm one of the main strips here in Salento. It's a quiet city with a lot of people, a lot of coffee cafes, a lot of cafes. Hey, peep that. Tourism heavy. Fried chicken, and again, that big old beetle I see. Got the dogs. Hola. Got the big old dogs. We got people walking. Over there. I think that's a hostel I seen online. Real tall. Yeah, this is a tourism spot though. It's a real tourism spot. Looks pretty nice. Nice. It feels very Western over here. Super Western. The end of FN. What is the end of FN? Oh, I look nice up in there. Might lose all my money going up in there. Okay. Okay. Some real nice looking stuff up in there. A veggie food bar. Word? I'm gonna check that out tomorrow. I'm gonna check that out. Yo, there's a beast pack of stairs coming up. I'm about to see what that's about. What's up, y'all? At this point, we just ordering some food at this restaurant over here. Please excuse the audio because there's a lot of copyright music going on. There's an interesting story about these 3 girls behind us, and while I was filming, I got cold approached by one of them, and the other one cold approached Calvin. Maybe they had like a little bit of too much to drink or whatever have you, but it was an interesting time. It was an interesting conversation. A lot of it ranging from South America and what places in South America like black guys, which is an interesting conversation, to say the least. And I was hungry, so I ordered 2 bowls of ramen. I also ordered 2 glasses of pina colada. And I was telling Tristan, I said, yeah, we're recording right now. I'm saying, what's up, YouTube? And thank you very much for watching this video. Keep eating, keep exploring, and I'll see you next time.